Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Ideal gas behavior depends on how molecules interact with each other. We need to find which gas acts most like a perfect model. Let's go! First, remember that real gases act most like ideal gases when they have very weak intermolecular forces. We are looking for the smallest, simplest molecule among all of these 4 choices. Oxygen is a small nonpolar molecule with very low dispersion forces compared to the others. Larger molecules like sulfur hexafluoride have much stronger attractions that cause significant deviations from ideal behavior. Oxygen has the weakest attractions and smallest size, following the ideal gas law most closely. This makes option A the winner for this chemistry problem. Well done! Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Avoid rushing, trust the given data, and check your steps carefully every time.